Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the hobby upgrade ticket in Heartopia. So when you want to upgrade your hobby level, you need a hobby upgrade ticket like this, this one, and you can get this ticket from the developer guild or Digimember rewards and collection rewards. This one. When you level up your Digimember, you will get the hobby tickets like this one, and then you can also get this ticket from the rewards collections over here. Just for example, I want to open this gardening catalog, and just tap on this bar, this collections bar, and when you reach any level points, you will get this uh, hobby upgrade tickets as a rewards like this. And okay, that's it, how you can get the hobby upgrade ticket in Heartopia. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.